Open your notebooks, everybody. Those who don't have the books, go back and sit in the last bench. Go back and sit in the last benches. Notebooks are not there. Go back to the last and sit. Okay. Who is not having notebooks? Raise your hands. Go. Come on. No. Go there. You also go. Want to go? No, no. Friend is friend outside. Okay. Right. So open your notebooks and try to write the statements what I'm going to answer it. See, without writing notes also you can move forward. But I want to make you to do this because it is one of the most important topic for you. So today we are entering into all the students in the online. You also open your notebooks. I don't know whether you are opening notebooks or not. So try to open down. Right. Need to open your notebook. If you don't open, you also go and close your laptop and try to sleep in the home. So let me move to the further. So today, after seeing lot of topics as a part of my session, so as a part of my session, if you see, pandas, if you look at, so as a part of that pandas which we discussed it, almost all the topics is done. So if you go to the pandas module index, if I open it, there is a lot of discussion is made in the class. Lot of discussion is made. So Smruti, drop now concept is not that much serious example now itself. Don't think that yesterday also you asked the same thing. Today also you are asking the same thing. It is just only 1 or 2 minutes job. Okay, Namma? Muti? So try to follow the concept. So far, if you look at this pandas, it's already completed. Data switches and panel is an invisible component. Actually, two components are used to store the data in pandas to store the data. So introduction to series and then purpose of series, and number of approaches to create an object of series. Almost explained all these things. And attributes of series object. Come on. So these many number of things already done. And getting and setting the series values, getting the values of series element, 6 approaches I said. And setting the values to the series object also 6 approaches I said. And then operations on series object 1, adding the value to the series object, subtracting the values from series object, dropping the values from series object. Did you remember that? Drop underscore values. So programming examples on that area. Operations on series object, finding the number of missing values. Do you remember that? Next, sorting the values of series object, finding max highest element from the series, finding the min and smallest element from series. Already done. And max n largest, next min n smallest, etc. Examples. Advanced operations on series object, finding unique values from series, finding number of unique values from series object, and displaying the unique values from series object, statistical operations on series object, examples on that area. And a data frame concept, students. Data frame, introduction to data frame, number of approaches to create an object of data frame, and there by using list, dict, set, series, ND array, CSV file, which is a very, very important, done. And the pandas attribute data frame attributes, already almost 11 attributes I said. And next, accessing the data from data frame part 1. Number of approaches for accessing the data from data frame. Already, I'm having one formula sheet also with me. This also I will share with you, students. So this is called what? Accessing the data, LOC, ILOC, and all these things related. Adding the new columns, all formulas at one place I put it. Filtering, and then what? Conditional filtering, updation, and then removing column name, removing row, and then what? Sorting the data from data frame, knowing the duplicates in data frame, and then next removing the duplicated data from data frame, adding a new row to the data frame, exporting data to what? CSV file, to Excel file, and all those things. This I will post to you, all these formulas, right? Even NumPy related cheat code is also there with me. That also I will share it. And don't try to worry about the total cheat code. Final goal you don't. So try to understand individual topics. Our basic aim is this only for running part. Before going to the exam or something like a written test or any interview, just for a glance purpose you need to have. Okay. So this is called number of approaches to access the data from data frame. Only heading I put it. What are the number of approaches I put? This is called accessing the data. LOC is there, ILOC is there. These many formulas are available. Almost first line to 39 lines I am having. So next examples, accessing the data from that ILOC and LOC. Difference between ILOC and LOC, you know. So number of approaches, syntaxes by using LOC and ILOC. Examples you have seen. The program to iterate over rows and columns of data frame. You know, iterating over rows indexes, rows names, column indices, column names. Approaches to iterate over rows and then columns of data frame. Rows related, rows and columns of data frame with what? Indices. These are called what? With labels. What is the need of it? What is the how many approaches are there? 4 approaches I said. Gurtunda? Row indices, row names. Column indices, column names. Right? Example. Sorting the data of data frame. How to sort the data? How to get this? And adding the new column to the data frame. Number of approaches to add the new column to the data frame. Whose examples? Removing the column name from data frame. Number of approaches to remove the column name from data frame. Whose example? Adding the row to the data frame. Removing the row from the data frame. Next, data filtering and conditional change. How to filter the data with a simple condition, with compound condition. Already said, compound condition. Greater than 90 and what? Less than or equal to 100. Which operator we used? Bitwise AND operator. A and D you cannot use it. Already you know na? Yes. Filtering and then updating the data frame object. How to update it with a simple condition, with a compound condition and everything. Working with the duplicate values. How to find the duplicate values, how to remove the duplicate values and etc. Missing with what? Working with missing data. Is now, is null. Example. To find the non-missing values, not now, not null. Next is called what? Filling missing value called what? Fill now. And then what? Right. Next is called what? Renaming. This I did not address it. I will address it. It is not that much serious example. Renaming the data frame. Renaming the data frame. Already we know that series we did. What is that? User. Series object dot user is equal to student I said. Later series object dot name is equal to some value I said. Like the data frame also we can do it. Next, the syntax for renaming the data frame. This one, this part only I will explain. Merging the data frame I said. Concat. Next is called what? As type. As type of entire columns, as type of single columns, as type of multiple columns with a dict. Yes. Next, group by. Need of group by concept. Iterate over group by things for loop. Group name and group information. Get first row, get last row, get nth row. Get the count number of data frame groups and get a AGG function. Get the size, mean, etc. Examples. Data frame transformations. Group by transform function. Did you remember that? And even I was discussed it. Group by with what function also explained? Apply. Group by apply also explained yesterday. Next is called what? Group by. Very good. Group by filter also explained. So combined examples also done. Next I'm going to enter into the EDA project. So wherever you go for learning, this pandas is coming in front of you. Just open our content and then do everything. And if you open any content, any content in the entire global world, you download it and compare our content, you'll feel more proud of this content. And already you might watch it. Any online portal, whoever it might be, the big player. Okay. So having Donald Trump, meeting with Donald Trump also no problem. Because meeting with Donald Trump or somebody else is not an important. How much content they are explaining in the class is important. Correct. So coming to the point of it. So here I'm going to enter into the concept called what? This EDA project I'm going to explain. Rajesh, sir, tomorrow holiday. Today only you take holiday. Now only you go. Go out of it. Now only take today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Up to complete weekend you take it. No problem. Who asked you to not to take holidays? Any day you take holiday, no issue. So, did I ask you to come to my class? Huh? Take holiday whenever you want. It's up to you. Take holiday. Complete holidays you take it. So next life is holiday only completely. So, okay, Rutuja, I will send you ma. This index also I will send. Let me go to the EDA project. Shall we start up? Right. So Rajesh, so take holiday today itself, no problem. So I will move to the further because you will unnecessarily disturb me. Now I'll go to this, keep it aside. After learning this everything, this formula sheet is also there with me. Huh? Again, malla, what official, unofficial, like that. So unofficially you took holiday yesterday, correct? At that. Just I'm saying offline class holiday, correct? So I will remember. So unofficial, official, both of them are here. There is no attendance register is available. So coming to the point back, now I'll go to the first project I'm going to give you, which is a very, very important project. Many of my students got selected because of this first project called Google Play Store. So this is a very, very important project and it is very simple for you now. Very simple for you. I'm having solution with me, but solutions directly I'm not going to show. If I give you directly solutions, there is no beauty of it. We need to write the code in the classroom for that questions. So let's show you the Google Play Store. Do you have any knowledge about Google Play Store? Come on. So G1, sir, you told as Python interview questions also. Yes, I am having Python interview questions. That also I will post it. When when my NumPy pandas questions are over, I will 100 in front of you only. I will post it. After posting only, then I will say class is over. I can say. After posting these questions, then I'll say class is over. Happy? Huh? In front of you only, I will post everything. Happy? Right. So, please send fast, sir. You come to Hyderabad. You come to Hyderabad, take my laptop. ఫాస్ట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడే పంపిస్తే ఆయన చూసుకొని చదువుకుంటాడు ఇప్పుడు. Now only if I send, he will read now only, he will go to interview to Microsoft. Now only he will go. So, now only he will go. So, uh, try to teach a DSA class also. Okay. So, Django class also. Okay. So, come to the point back. So students, now no more disturbance, no more other thing. Whenever my batch will start anything, I will go for sending to you. Okay, right. So coming to the point of it, Arun, sir, please take Django class, sir. Okay. So coming to the point back. So let it be if my batch will start, I will intimate to you students. Please let me move to the further. What do you know about Google Play Store? All of you serious about it? What do you know about Google Play Store? Hmm? Google Play Store contains all apps, all apps, right? Do you know how many apps are there? No, but they will give you so many apps will be there in that. So yearly, so many vendors are going on adding that by purchasing license from different mobile users, and they will go on adding to that app. So those apps related analysis, I want to go for it. That analysis, I'm going to show a simple description. I'm going to keep it. So this description, I'm going to show you What is the Google Play Store? A small description I written here. Try to understand. Try to understand. This is EDA. Stands for your favorite answer. Exploratory data analysis. Spell out. Right. So you will remember that. So Google Play Store project description. Will you read all of them slowly? Slowly you read. Don't try to read an academic related angle. All of you. Online students, you also try to read it by yourself in the classroom. Start. Google Play Store, or formerly Android Market, is a digital distribution service developed and operated by Google. Operated by Google. Okay. Next, it is an official apps to store that provides varieties of contents such as apps, books, magazines, music, movies, and television programs. So these many number of apps will present. Next, I will go for, come on, it serves as a platform to allow the users with a Google certified Android operating system devices to download the applications developed and published on the platform, either with a charge or free of cost. That means paid apps will be there, free apps will be there. Free apps will be there. With the rapidly growth of Android devices and apps, it would be interesting to perform data analysis on the data, obtain valuable insights. Insights means finding the hidden facts. Finding the hidden facts. Insights means studying the inside the hidden facts. Suppose a doctor will study the insides of the human organs. Insights means the facts which are finding inside, we want to bring it out. That is known as what? Data analysis. Very good. Next, I will go for, to do this data analysis, what is definitely required? Some input required or not? That input is called what? Data set. Spell out. Data set present in dash. Data set present in dash. Data frame. Good. Data frame contains how many parts? Very nice. Number one, rows. Next, columns. Columns plus data. Data of columns and rows is known as what? Data set. Data sets can be accessed with how many ways? Two ways. One is by using row index, one more by using column index. You know, all those material I said from last December 10th onwards up to here, I said that entire thing. So data set that is going to be used in Google Play Store apps from Kaggle. Kaggle. Kaggle is one of the free services which will provide all sorts of data sets. From there only we got it. It contains 10K of web scrapped Play Store apps data for analyzing the Android market. The tools that are going to be used for this EDA would be NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. Matplotlib is my next topic, which will take 10 days. 10 days. It's easy also, not a difficult for you. Now I will go to the, in this project, I performed various data preparations and cleaning processes. Data preparations and cleaning process. Cleaning process is nothing but what? Filling unwanted values with our own value. Understand? It's called what? A cleaning process. Yesterday, I said when I'm going to concatenate, row wise, when I'm concatenating, I got the rows properly, columns properly. When I'm going to concatenate over the columns, we got some nans now. Nans that I was cleaned up with what? Space. So that I am getting diagonal wise some content is coming or not. First frame, second frame, third frame data came or not. Like that. Now, and okay, that cleaning process. Next, we will be loading the Google Play Store apps data stored in CSV using Pandas, which is a fast and a powerful Python library for data analysis and data manipulation in Pandas data frame object. So where is the data of Google Play Store is available? CSV file. CSV file contains what? Column names plus row name. Row numbers are there. Row numbers is not having much priority, but the main priority will be given. Very good. Already you know this content. Okay, students, come on, mom. It is usually used for working with tabular data. That is nothing but data in where? Spreadsheet. Data in spreadsheet. Right. Spreadsheet data is nothing but Excel data. Excel data, where do you store in pandas? Data frame. Excel column data, where do you store? Series. Understand? Very good. So in various tabular formats such as CSV, Excel spreadsheet, XML tables, JSON, etc. So you know JSON also in our Python classes. JSON also, and CSV is the most frequently used one. And we will then perform some data preparations and also cleaning on it, and we are going to do a lot of questions. This is just a description, first one. In the second one, I said that what I am going to do, what library I am using, how to do some small operations, I said. First one is called what? Description. It is a very, very important. Even tomorrow, if we go to an interview point of view, if all of a sudden something newly coming, we need not to feel it, because I am going to tell you two projects related description I am going to give. Third project also I will show you, and you can see any project is coming in interview point of view, you will do with the left and left finger. With when you read my Python course content, when you read this Python course content, already course content is already covered. Now, any project is coming, you will do with the left and left finger. And same project you show to any data science student, any AI who completed from any of the other institute or any portals, you just show it. They can't do even 4 5 questions also. Minimum they will give you 13 to 14 questions as a part of the project that you have to solve like anything. Shall we? Let's go for entering into the further. Online students, is it clear, ma? Is it clear? This description is very clear and it is simple English. It is nothing difficult about it. Let's come to the point back. Now I will open this place. Now I'm going to show you the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store CSV file, I'm going to get it. This is called CSV file data. What are the columns present? How many apps are there at this point of time? We are having, get these many number of apps are there. So these many things are what? 10,842 apps are available. Are you following me? 10,842 apps are there. So will you type all of them now? No, you cannot type all of them. Will you type it? No. So these are all available from, definitely some different data sets will be there. We will be giving. Even when you go to an interview point of view, they will give you this CSV file for you, and they will give you the questionnaire question set also they will give, and they will ask you to answer it. So how you are going to answer it, you are going to say. But at the same time, please understand, when you are doing this project, you must know about what? Column names. Shall we show you the column names? In front of you only, everything is there. Today, you only need to do this project. Come on, what is the first one? Because I already made the type of concept for you. Already made that concept. You know, you can do it also. What is the first one, ma? App. App ante? App name. App. Next, category. Category means what? Free app, paid app. Is it free na paid? Are you following me? Next, please. Rating. Next is called what? Review. Next is rating. Next is called what? Review. Reviews. How many reviews are there? Reviews will be there for each app. Next, size. So when you download something from this Google Play Store, it will show some size also now. Next, what? Installs. By the time, how many people installs that app? Next is called what? Type. Type. So it is going to be, I think category is going to be here. Type is there. Free or paid, that is one thing here. Category indicates, is it a movie category or music category, or it is called what? Telephone category, or what is this something like that. Type of app is going to be given. Beautician app or art app or something like a game app or something like that. Category means that one. Next is called what? Price. Price. If it is a paid, some charging will be done. If it is free, it will be a 0 rupees. Next is called what, ma? Content. Content rating. They are going to have a content rating. Next is called one more thing called what? Generous. So I will show you what is the generous meaning. So next is called what? Last update. Last update. Next is called what? Current update. Next is called what? Android version. In Python also a lot of versions are there now. Old version still maintained in companies. Latest version, preview version. Come on. Next is called what? Future version. By going for www.python.org, I shown you all those things in the beginning day or not. Python version history also you knowing about all those things or not? Well, so this is comes under concept of what? CSV file. But that to do any data EDA project, compulsory what is required? CSV file is compulsory required. Now I'm going to open the questionnaire here. Now I'm going to open the questionnaire. So here I'm having the questions are very, very simple and easy. These are the questions what majority of my students got it in their interview point. What is these questions? These are the questions PayPal, a very big company called PayPal. From there, this project is taken up, and this what is many of my students got it, and they are going on keeping that in their resume, and they are getting explaining in the interview point of view. And don't expect directly all companies, there is no rule that same thing will be coming. Similar model of questions will come. Any EDA project will be coming. This is going to be the questionnaire format. What are that questions here? I'm having some number of questions here, mom. So first question, second question, third question, like that I'm having what? 16 questions are there. These 16 questions you need to answer. And what will be the selection criteria? 50% of the questions they answer. 50% of the questions, if you are answer, you will be rated as a good student. If you answer at least 75% of the questions, still you will be taken as a very good student. If you answer all of them, you are an excellent student. And you must do it almost all the questions in the class. So I'm having solutions also below to that. I'm having solutions also below. Google Play Store analysis, questions, solutions are also there. That solutions I'm not going to show you. Okay. So I may not be posting also to you. And immediately got a doubt. So not posting subjects, very difficult. So I'll post it. Okay, na? Post it. But try to practice in the class. So first question. Shall we start the first question? Right, all of you. First question. Keep the heading. Google Play Store. Come on now. Google Play Store project. Google Play Store project. What is this project is called? Data Analysis Project. EDA. Data Analysis Project. Now, let us move to the further. Find the total number of apps present in the Google Play Store. Write down. First question. Quickly. Question number 1. Find the total number of apps in where? Google Play Store. Quickly, everybody need to write. Don't act like by keeping empty pen without refill. Don't act, okay? Because I used to see these days some acting persons also. Because of acting, you don't act for me, okay? You act by yourself. So it is a life. Okay, don't try to do that. So go to the first, I will also do along with that. Solutions also I will develop it. Solutions also I will develop it. And I'll show the results also. Okay, now? I'll show the results also. Try to follow. Very simple. Let it starts. Everybody need to write. I may come in the middle also. I may check the notes also at any time. So here, first question is written. Right. Now I'll go to our last. Are you writing? Last student. Are you writing? No. Go there and get one paper. They will give one paper and pen also. You try to bring it. Don't be like a normal Python student. Go there. They'll give one paper and pen also. And after the class is over, paper and pen, you give it back. So, who is that? So, are you writing or not? Where is your notes? Okay, what notes you have given to him? Extra. Oh, you have extra notes also. You give me also. For me also give me one more notes. I said go, you will bring there. Why you will give extra notes? Help, huh? Okay, let it be. Come to the point back. So here it is done. So if anybody is asking notes, don't give the notes. Anybody is asking pen, don't give the pen. I already said to you. Okay, let it be. Because you're all feeling that sorry, saying all hard points. So all these things. So coming to the point of it, now I'm going to say directly CSV file. Can we go for it? Right. So I'm going to take it and us, all of you, be ready, recapitulate your knowledge. So Google Play Store app, Play Store, Play Store app analysis. So let us start with here. I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. In this case, I will import it. Import pandas as PD. Next, I'm going to take it student. Import NumPy as NP. So I'm taking students for a moment. I'm taking one small moment. I'm going to take it here. PD dot. There is one small option I'm taking. Set underscore option. This is something like a margin setting. When you go to taking printout, the DTP operator will set the margins na, in MS Word. Like that, I'm just going for one small setting in the margin setting or something. Don't worry about it. Display dot max underscore columns of none, you write it. So I just wrote it like that and nothing to bother about it what I'm doing it. I will tell you why I said after 2 minutes. Come on, load your CSV file or not? Come on, first step is what? Load the content of what? CSV file of Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Okay. So I'm going to take it. I forget how to do it. You also write. Write down. You also write down. DF is equal to PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. What you will pass, ma? I forget. What you will pass it? Absolute path of what you will take? CSV file. So can I bring my absolute path of CSV file? Yes, please look at this Google Play Store data. I'll keep it into my place, ma. Already you know, 11 a.m. NumPy place I am keeping. For you, I will post this Google Play Store data for you. I'll upload this. So I'm going to take it. Here I'm going to write it in this place, double slashes. Here I'm writing double slashes. What is this? Google Play Store dot what? CSV. Is it clear? Is it Google Play Store dot CSV? Okay. Now print of what? DF. Print of what? DF. It will print all the data frame data. Look at all of you. After writing the statement, immediately look at why I'm making you to write today only, because to have some practice. Without practicing also you can say, but at least keep your active in the class. So here I'm going to write it 0. What is that? What is this app name? Photo editor, Candy camera, and grid and scrapbook. This is category called what? Art and design, family, and then medical and book and reference, lifestyle. This is called what? App category. Still this line indicates what, ma? Very good. Continuation. What is this is going to give you? Student 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. dot says what? Other continue applications. What is this? 10,836, 10,000, etc. 10,840. 840. Are you following me? Right. 842 is there. But why it is 840 showing? For column purpose, 1 is showing. First column starts from where? 2. 2. Now it is starting from where? 0 onwards. Definitely it is going to be what? Two things. If you minus it, it is going to be 8,840, 10,840 or not? Yes. Next time on the rating, review, size, installs, type, price. Next still content rating, generous, last updated. Last updated. Content rating means it is everyone teen something like mature 17 plus years everyone like that. Current version and then what? Android version. How many rows are there? 10,841. 10,841 means what? One column if you remove it, including column also will be counted or not? Yes, that is called, how many columns are there? This is called what? Rows. Is it clear? Now my data is ready. My data is ready. Now I want to go for, getting into the first question. I want to go for it. Online students, did you understand, mom? So please respond it when I ask, immediately you respond it, because we need to go for this now. Let us go to the first question. What is the first question, mom? Find sample question. Find the total number of. Actually, they gave the answer also. They gave the sample question. That is not a original questions. They said find the number of apps in the Google Play Store. Find the number of apps in the Google Play Store. So how do you find? I forget. That is the question you need to write like that, and you need to start giving answer for it. Come on. Right. So coming to the point back, here I am going to take up, find the total number of apps in Google Play Store. 1 minute, students. Right, students, Django is started. Django started morning 7:30. 7:30 a.m. started. Okay. Right. So now I am going to enter into the find the total number of apps in where? Google Play Store. So let us go for how to find the total number of apps in Google Play Store. So SK, it's not my class. Not my class. So it is not my class, students. It is not my class. So somebody, some other faculty class. Can we join or not? I cannot give a certificate for that. So, so see, one thing I used to say to all of you, whether my class or somebody's class or somebody's class or any class, first you need to see practical approach. Practical approach, not Google going to Google and copy paste and doing all these things and putting on your face something like that. It's not a correct. Right or not? What they will explain in the class is totally rhythmic and more practically. That should sounds well. That should create vibes in your education. Need to create some intelligence. Need to create complete practical knowledge, not theoretical knowledge. Observe the practical approach. Ask them. No internal marks here. That is the day one I used to say. No internal marks. Ask them. So come to the point of it. Now I am going to say. So come to the point of it. SK. So Biswajit. Sir, when is your Biswajit Pradhan? When your Django class will start? See, whenever they start, I will come one day before. They will say, I will bring my Django bat. I will bring NumPy Pandas bat. Whatever they say, I already said many times. Again, I am saying because you are asking. That's why. So SK. But if there is no class of Django for you, then we have to go somewhere, right, sir? That's all now. Because when I am not giving apple, you have to take apple from somewhere where they are providing. I'm giving fruity, something like some different fruits I'm giving. Some other fruits I'm not selling. Somebody else you need to take it. So, Venkat Srinivas. So, thank you, Srinivas. Now I will move to the further. Can I move to the subject? Now, come on. Find the total number of apps in Google Play Store. How do you find? So here I'm going to write it, print of total number of apps in Google Play Store is equal to, how do I write it? సైలెంట్ ఉండడానికి కాదు, ఇక్కడ బుక్ ఓపెన్ చేసింది. D of dot, D of dot, Saida, come on, shape of 0, shape of what? 0, shape of 0. Total number of apps are how many? 10,841. Why I shown you this example? You need to get the knowledge that to get the shape attribute. You're getting it? Yes. And I also said to you number of things also. Size, length, so many things I said or not? Yes. This is one question. Question number 2. Start immediately. Question number 2. I'll go for the another kind of thing. So Mohammad Saqib, my dear student, once again I'm requesting to all my students. See, one thing I want to tell you. You're asking me to take all the class. I'm ready to take it, not a point. Only thing is, whatever the batches I'm having, that I will handle it. Suppose if you insist to take it, if I'm not taking, you will feel. And if I promise that it is going to start someday, if you wait for it, if it is not starting, you will feel now. Whenever any batch is started, you attend that, observe it, see that. So try to take care about it. Now, so coming to the point back, now I'm going to enter into this place. What is this now? So come to the point back. So I'm going to take it. So here I'm going to say, come on here. Come to this place now. Here I will go for this. Come to the point back. Find the total number of columns in each back, each one columns, each up, and of what? Play Store. Find the total number of columns. Come on, how do you write it? Print of. Come on, write down. Question you write and answer you write it. Question you write, answer you write it quick. So total number of columns in each app of Google Play Store is equal to, come on, I forget. D of dot, come on, shape of square bracket, brace, right, done. Very good. So number of columns are how many? 13. Any other way? Any other way? D of dot columns. D of dot columns. Length you need to take. So LEN of what? D of dot columns. D of dot columns will give you column names, but I want a number of columns. That's why we'll go for what? Length. D of dot length. Are you able to follow? Right. Online students, is it clear, ma? Is these two sample questions are clear? Quick response is required. Very good. Let me move to the further. Start. Doubt nanu adugandi ma. So utilize me. I'm very close to you. To every student, I'm close to you. To every student of mine, I want to give my close services to you. Because why I'm available to you more and more? Because you faced a lot of troubles earlier. Ask me directly. Doubt? Do you have doubt? No doubt. Do you have doubt? Do you have doubt? No, no. No. Come on. Next, I will go to first question. Write down all of you. Quickly. Display top 5 rows of the data set. Display top 5 rows of data. Write down. Write down all of you. Display top 5 rows of data set. So how do you get that top 5 rows of data set? Come on. Come on. So top 5 rows is equal to df dot head of. That's all. Already you know head of or not? Yes. Next I will write it print of. I will write on the top of it like this if you want. you can go for it. Always keep in mind, students, when the questions are given, don't try to give unformatted output, students. Give a complete formatted output. So there you are supposed to enter like this. Print off this place. Say what? Top 5 rows. What is the type of top 5 rows? Come on. Data frame only. I'm getting a subset of values now. Out of 10,841 apps, I'm going to get a subset of 5 values, which will contain all column names with everything. So I'm going to get it. So see ma, all of you, we are going to get it. Which values ma? Is it called 0 to 4 is coming or not? 0 to 4. All categories of things, top 5 rows. So this you need to write the solution quickly. Write it. Don't wait for me. Write down, write down. Complete it. I will check the notes in the middle. Be careful. If not doing, you need to write and show me complete solutions. Be careful. So, Ramakant, hold on. Don't be fast. Because everybody I need to take care. Everybody I need to take care. So, okay now? So main thing is called what? Head off. Can you tell any other way? Can you tell in another way? This is one way. Okay, nice. One more way. df of df of. So already you know formula sheet is ready with me now. Formula sheet is ready with me. See, don't be with one solution, ma. Don't be with one solution. What is this data frame of start, stop, step? What is the start? 0. What is the stop? 5. Step is by default +1 only. That is also going to give you the same thing or not? Yes. So head of number of rows, that all those things you are all aware of it. Are you following me? That's all. So here df dot iter rows, it will give completely nothing, but I can get only 5. I can write after writing iter rows, I can write a colon. What I can write? 5. I can write from there also. I will get what? 5 records will be coming. So once one question is given, please be in the mind. Always you need to have multiple solutions in the mind. Multiple solutions. Don't be stick up with only one solution. Okay, na? So don't go in a buttified format. Next, check the last 3 rows. Come on, next question. Write down. Third question. Check the last 3 rows of what? Data set. Last 3 rows of data set. 3 rows of data set. So I'll go for taking last 3 rows is equal to, I forget, df dot ma tail of. Very good. Of what? 3 without parameter? With 3. Very good. Without parameter, what will happen? Super. So, can you do in another way also? How do you do in another way? Slicing. Slicing. Correct or not? Slicing. So, with the slicing, how do you do? Can you tell me? Any intelligent student can tell. df of, what should I write it? What should I write it? Can anybody can say? Minus. Minus. Minus 3 colon. So is df contains -3? And you know one thing, data frame does not contain negative slicing. And a series also does not contain negative slicing. Then how do you do? Very good. So I will write it what? len of what? df minus, this is the one you are going to take. This is length is going to be, for example, 10 is there. 10, 9, and then what? 8. When I say 0 to 10, what is the length will be coming generally? 11. 11. So 11 means actually it is starts from where? -1. -1 means what? 10. That is the last. Last means how many onwards you need to get it? 8 onwards. So definitely I need to write what here? -2. minus 2 and then minus 1. It is going to be called what? Minus 3. So 11 minus 3 is going to give you what? Last third one it will be posting. Are you following me? Actually, 11 minus 1 is called what? Last. For that, what are you doing? Minus 2. So it is going to be 11 minus 3 now. 11 minus 3 is nothing but what? 8. That is called last 3 records or not? Getting me? Yes. So try to have multiple things. So let's go to it. Let us go to the last 3 rows. Instead of this one, let's go to it. Last 3 points I'm going to take it. So what are the last 3 rows? Last 3. Last 3 rows. Last 3 rows of what? Data set. And here last 3 rows object, I will go for it. It is also which type? Data frame type. Data frame type. Last 3 only it is going to come. 38, 39 and 40. 40. And all the things are going to come. Are you getting it? So this is the 3 apps which I am going to get it. Okay. That are all very simple, students. First 3, last 3. Remember, out of many questions, half of the questions they will give you below average questions only. Suppose if I am giving questions, I never give this type of questions. Directly I will go for filtering the data onwards, I will start. Transform, apply, filter, from there onwards I will start. But they will keep the question paper in such a way that the project questions in such a way that even a normal student also can do it. So write down the third question. Write down the third question. I think find the shape of our data set. Find the shape of our data set directly. Directly. So shape of our data set. Shape of our data set is equal to comma. Come on. Solution also you write it. Come on. So Rutuja, wrong answer ma. Shape of if you write it is a very wrong answer. Come on. Df dot shape is an attribute of function of attribute. So Rutuja need to correct by yourself. So if you say shape of, you will get which error? Attribute error. Because shape of our function is not there. Shape of attribute is there. So I'm going to get it. So I'm going to get it. What is this? 10,841 comma 3. Is it number of rows and number of columns? So this includes what also? Column names also coming. Column names also will be coming. Plus what is this 13? 13 columns. Okay. Right. Next I will go to one more kind of thing. I will go for this part. Be careful. Write down quickly. Quickly. You did not write so far in my class. You are writing first time this one. Quick. While writing, you prepare the answer. Submit your question to your brain. Your brain already contains pandas. So if the answer is coming, your brain is good. Otherwise, need an operation to be done. Operation to be done అంటే నేను కాదు ఆపరేషన్ చేసేది. You only need to open the notes and need to read thoroughly so that you can get the answer. Get the information about data set like total number of rows, total number of columns, data type of each column, and a memory requirement. This is very regularly asking question student. Come on. Ma df dot info of info of spell out df ఎవరు చెప్పాలి మొద్దు df dot info of save completely write down answer you write down df dot info of df dot info of info is not an attribute students info is a function name x who is this Venkat Srinivas Ingo of What is this Ingo of? Can I type it Ingo of? Df dot Ingo of. Which attribute will come? Attribute error. Now Srinivas corrected. So if I highlight that mistakes, na, they will be careful. Info of. So Srinivas will not forget in the next time. So he will take care about it. Read out, ma. Verify it. What is this index? 10,841. How many entries? 0 to 10,841. So how many totally? 841. Actually, we are getting in our Google Play Store showing how many? 842. 842. Because our index starts from where? 1. One Excel index starts from where? 1. That's why it is showing like that. But actually, how many are there? 8,042. When it starts from 0, it is going to be? Yes, you know that. So you know that part. Okay, done. Next, columns. Totally, how many columns are there? Okay. First column, 0th column. 0th column name. It is called what? Non-null. Non-null. What is this now? How many non-null values are there? 10,841 non-null values are there. That means completely what? Values are filled. Right. What is the type? What is the type? Right. Like that. Rating. What is our available rating there? 9,367. Definitely some values are not rated now. That time they provided what? Missing value. Null okay. కొద్దిగా మాట్లాడడం కూడా అఫీషియల్ గా ఉండాలి. What is available there? Missing value. What are the missing value in Python? None. Missing value in NumPy? np.nan. Nan. Are you none or what? np.nan. Pandas? pd dot. Okay. pd.na is what type? Na type. np.nan is what type? Low type. None is what type? None type. Good. These are all called classes or not? Load is a class, nat type is a class, and then none type is also class. Right? Like that. So, like that, students, you see there is CMON, Android version, current version, 10,833 is there. And some values will be null or not. Missing value is there. This is what is this information. Rating is which type? All other type of values are what? Object type. Object type. So if you want to perform any numerical operation, you need to convert that object type into which type? Float type. That is a numeric type, either int type or float type. On object, you cannot perform what operation? Numerical operations you cannot perform. Suppose I want to perform the mean. I cannot perform on object type. I have to convert that object type into which type? Int type or float type. Then I can apply what? Mean. Is it called a typecasting or not? How do you do typecasting in NumPy and Pandas? Ma? Very good. Very good. So, come on. D type. Float 64. How many columns? One column. Object is which column? 12. Is it clear? Yes. Shall I move to the further? Yes. This none is coming. Don't worry about that none because I wrote what? Printer. So without print, if I write it, you will not get that none. So this is no none. What is the memory usage of it? 1.1 plus MB. Is it my total requirement is coming or not? Data type of each column, memory management, total number of columns, total number of rows, total number of rows, and all the columns, memory type, everything is clear. Clear? Yes. Online students, is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Come on, quickly. Right. Nice. Let me move to the further. Let me move to the further. Another question I will carry. Another question I will carry. Write down. Next question. Next question I will carry. Get overall statistical information of data frame. Or one more thing, I'm going to get it. What is the another question we have? Get descriptive statistics about Google Play Store. These are the regularly asking questions. Descriptive statistics. Do you know descriptive statistics parameters? Come on. Yes. So do you know the function name? Describe of. Describe of will give you what? Numerical values. To include string values also, you will go for what? Include all. Right up. While talking, writing and talk. Writing and talk. So online students are so perfect. They are going to, everybody is saying, describe of, describe of. Are you writing or without writing you are saying answers? Hmm? Writing or not writing students? Online students? Doing both. Okay. Venkatesh Srinivas is doing both. That's why he said Ingo. DF dot Ingo. It is exciting. Exciting to answer. Because of Ingo, Bingo, all those things will give you, all these things will give you problem. You will do it. You will do it. You remember students, once you read well, whatever coming in real time, you will easily do it. There is no doubt in that. You come to remember this word. Okay. So rectified. Okay, Srinivas, no problem. Come on, I forget. How do you do it? DF dot, come on. Describe of. Describe of. Come on. Include is equal to all. All need to write within the double quotes of. Yes. So it is going to give you the complete information. It is going to give you the complete information. Spelling DES. Describe. Like describe. It is giving complete information about it. Like Srinivas, I am also writing spelling mistake. DF dot describe. So what is coming? You remember some of the parameters, you remember max, min, variance, standard deviation, count, etc. 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile. That is for what? Numerical columns. Next is called what? For non-numerical columns. Come on, count. Count is common for both frequency, top, unique, n unique. Some kind of values will come or not. Top, unique, top, frequency, mean, STD, min, 25 percentile. All of them are included. If you say only include, you can tell that also here. This is about include of all. If you want to go for only numerical columns or something they will ask you, you can go for remove that and you can say something like this. You can say only like this. Numerical column only will be coming. Keep in mind, if you want all of them, say include all. Say include all. If you want to say only this one, you can say like this also. Okay now? Shall I move to the further? Yes, online students, you got it. Next question, please. Now it will be starting from difficulty. Now your difficulty starting now. Be careful, right? Difficulty will be started. So now you be careful about it. Now I will write some description, students. You also try to move to the description for all of them. How to answer such kind of things. Obtain total number of apps. Total number of apps. Title, total number of apps. Whose title? I'll change that question little more morning. Whose title contain astrology? And there is a title is available. Title is available. Whose title will not start astrology? Title contains. There is a word called contains. Contains. Contains is different from starts. Correct or not? Contains is different from starts. Contains is different from ends. Yes or no? Yes. So I am going to say one small word I will say, students. In our Python sessions, whether you remembered or not, a beginning part I will clear it. Basic part. S is equal to Python is an OOP language. Listen, all of you. Listen, students, all of you. Now S dot, I am going to write it. Underscore contains. Underscore contains. What I am writing? Python. I am going to write it. What it is going to return? True. Next, underscore contains. And I am writing an, which is also going to be what? True. Next, I am going to write is. I am going to write it. What is this? True. Now I am going to write it. See, students, contains will return true when it is containing in any one of the text, any one of the letter. Starts with what is that now? Is. What is that answer? False. It is not starts with is. This is also going to be called as what? Ends with. Ends with. That also returns what? False. That also returns false. So contains is different from starts with and then ends with. So in our pandas, first you need to go for this kind of thing. Whenever such a question is coming, it is going to be dealt with which type of column? First you need to find out which column it is dealing with. Which column it is dealing with, mom? What is the column name it is dealing with? Go to the place and see the column names. You want to see, first to see the columns instead of verifying that. Df dot, what is this? Columns. Please check it out, ma. You know, app. App is called, the title will be containing or not? In this app, I want to look for what? Astrology. So there I will write it. First, find the app names. How do you find the app names? For your rough work, I'm going to say. Under the question number 6, you need to do. Listen, students. All the students in online need to follow. Ramakant, including Ramakant. You need to follow. Df dot. What is that now I am going to say? First, you are finding the column names. Second step, you need to follow. What is this now? APP. I'm going to write what? APP. What is this APP will give you? Number of apps are not. So see here, photo editor and etc. So many things are there. So iHoroscope, daily horoscope, astrology, something is there. I need to print this type of app also or not? Because it is containing one word called what? Astrology. Okay. Now if I try to write it, double equal to, if I try to write which word? Astrology. If I try to write it, it will not come. It will not come. So it is not going to give you anything. All of them are going to get what? False, false, false only. Of course, only for first 5 and last 5. If we pass it to what? Df of, if I write like this, it is also going to give you what? Nothing is going to come. Because it is directly checking with what? Astrology comparison. Even if you go for taking what? LN of it, if I try to do it, it is going to be 0. So my intention is not to check with what, ma? Not to check with what? Astrology starts with, astrology ends with. Now I'm going to say, come on, how do you locate the apps? App name. This is called app name as it is. There I'm going to write it. Under that, there is one type of what it gives you? Series. Come on, series. In the series, how do you convert it uppercase and lowercase? We converted some example or not? In that, there is a str object is there. In the series, there is a str object. In that, there is a function called what, ma? Contains. Like our str I shown you in the basic level or not? Even in our Python regular classes, I said this function underscore underscore contains. Almost 21 functions I said to you. String handling part 2 level. So contains. Here also I'm going to write it and contains. This is a series dot str. In the series object, there is a function name called what? Contains. What is my function name? Astrology. Whatever the word they are giving, I'm carrying that word. Don't type by yourself because you are very poor in English. Don't type by yourself. You are very poor in English. I am very poor in English. Everybody is poor in English. Try to take that word, copy and paste. Now, astrology. What is happening? Gives you which array? Gives you which array? Boolean array. Which array, ma? Boolean array. Please look at that. False, false here also. One true is coming or not? Maybe some more things are there which are true, but it is showing 0 to 4 and the last 5 and first 5 is showing. It is going to give you definitely LN of you say. LN of you say. What is going to be available? That many are available. Better to follow what? DF. DF of you follow. DF of you say. How many are going to come? This one. 1570. One astrology is there. Correct or not? 1592. One astrology word is there. 10,840 also one astrology is there. Right or not? How many number of apps which contains astrology related LEN I am applying? How many are going to be there? 3. Those 3 names I want to print it. Are you getting my point? So how do you get those values? That is my topic. What is the heading? Obtain the total number of apps whose title contains astrology. Is it clear? Come on. Yes. Now I want to get it. That values are getting here. If you want to print those app names, it is very simple for you to get it. How do you print that app names? Like this, I will write it. Like this, I am going to write it. Is it app name is coming or not? App name is coming. So horoscope, this entire things are going to come. If you want, you can write it. What you can write it now? Come on. App, I can write it. APP, I can write it. APP. So which is going to give you the app names or not? App names. Come on. These app names are coming. This is called what again? Series. Number is coming or not? Dot what I am going to give you? Values. But directly values are coming. Which object? ND array. Come on. All these things done. Come on. For APP name in where? Like this, I will say print of what? APP name. So that are the app names. Super. This is called the subject. See what is the statement? App contains astrology, etc. Okay now? Sound లేదు అసలు. Are you okay? Right. In front of you only I'm deriving everything. Series you know, values you know, attributes you know, everything you know. Online students, coming to the point back. So coming to this place now. Online students, is it clear for you? Now I'm going to write it. See students, one more thing I want to tell you. Suppose sometimes there is a small astrology also may contain. This is containing what? Astrology capital is there. Sometimes they may use small astrology also. That time I need to go for what? Ignore the case. Correct or not? Ignore the case. So this same 6 only I will go for. By ignoring the case, I will go students. So I will try to take it. You see now, what is the next one I am going to say? Everybody write down this also. This one I am taking contains. What is the contains here? Astrology I am taking. Here I am going to take it, comma. What I am going to take it? Case is equal to, I am going to write, case is equal to what? False, I am going to write it. Case is equal to what? False. I am going to write it. What is the meaning of case is equal to false? You are ignoring the case. By default, what is the value of case? True. So it is going to take the value, not in the double quotes, it is a Boolean value. I need to take like this. So in this case, if any small astrology related things are there, that will be showing to you. Also giving you this one, and I will write it what? DF of. You pass it to DF of. It is going to give you what? Still how many? Still the same thing is available, I hope so. So just I am giving for you in the further, if anything is coming, that also I want to say. Still what is available? 3. So the main intention is ignoring the case. Ignoring the case. So you want to see one more time? I will write here what I'm going to say. Small astrology, I'm going to write it. Small a, I wrote it. How many are coming? 3 only. Suppose if I don't write case is equal to false, what will happen? It is going to give you 0. Are you getting me? So this is going to be the very important sentence. So I think everybody got my point. Small a only I will write it. This is about 3. Clear? Right. Online students, is it clear, ma? Online students respond it. Make it very fast. Good. Now I'm going to enter into the further. One more question I'm going to enter. Very, very important. Let's go to that. Find the average app rating. Very, very important again. Right now. Find average app rating. Find the average app rating in Google Play Store. In Google Play Store. First, you need to understand what on which column you need to apply. DF dot. How do you find out that columns? df dot what? Columns. These are all stepping, working procedure for you. When a question is given, directly we'll not write the answer now. We'll write some intermediate steps or not. df dot columns. On which one you will apply? Rating. Rating is which type that you need to find out or not? Rating is which type I shown you? Float 64. Can I apply mean on that? Come on. Yes, you can apply. Okay, come on, apply. Come on. df df dot what? If you want to find out all rating values, if you want to see rating, I will just go for giving this rating as it is. If you want, I can write that rating. Instead of typing by yourself, it is going to give you all ratings are coming. And one of the place what is available? Missing value is also there. None. Do you know none? Yes. So now I want to find out what mean. So mean indicates what? Only non-nan values mean only can find. Yes or no? Yes. So can you fill that nan value with 0 also? Yes, I forget. How do you fill that? Fill value of అలా చెప్పకూడదని చెప్పినాను కదా. df dot rating is equal to df dot what? Rating dot fill now of what? 0. That time it is going to fill and it is reflecting to rating also. Yes or no? Yes, keep in mind. So right now I will go for requiring to find what? Non-nan values mean only I want to find. Rating I got it. And after that, mean I want to find out. Come on, how do you write it? Dot what? Mean. Mean. I can write mean. This is the mean value it is going to be. 4.1993. Average rating of all the apps is coming. Right now. So three things. df dot columns you say, get the rating values and apply the mean values on that. So coming to the point back to this rating value. When you say mean, it will not consider which value? Nan value. Are you following me? Yes. So next, another question I am going to say. Find the total number of apps. Find the total number of apps which is having which category? Unique category. Find the total number of apps which is having. Find the total number of unique category apps. Unique category of apps. So how we can find the unique category apps? First, which column you need to apply? You need to say df dot what? Columns. df dot columns. Students, df dot columns. Yes. Which one you need to find out? The name itself is available. So df of what here? Category. df of category. As it is, I will copy paste. Don't type anything. You may get wrong answer also. Category. Art and design, family, medical, book and reference, lifestyle, so many things. What are the unique values I want to get it? Come on. I will apply what? Come on. Already you know. Dot. Unique of a, unique of a. Unique will give you what? Unique will give you what and unique will give you what? So again, I need to go to that example. So already here you need to apply what? N unique I need to apply. Gives what? Unique values with a category. So see that how many are available? Come on, 34 are available. 34 number is coming. This is called what? Values are coming. If you want to see them, you can go for that. How do you see that now? How do you see that values here? Come on. This is a 34. And if you want to see that name, how do you go for it? Dot app. Dot app. Is it going to be giving what? No. Dot values. That is nothing but what? Values. If you say, is it all the values are coming or not? Come on. Art and design, one unique value. There are so many art and designs are there. Any art and design. But what is the unique value? Art and design. Art and design. So maybe art and design. Medical, books and reference. Huh? N unique. So go for that. So you are going to get it. Now see. What is coming? Art and design, auto and vehicles, beauty, books and reference, business, comics, communication, dating, education, entertainment, events. These are all gives you how many? Muddu, come on. 34. You write it and say what? LEN off. LEN off. It is going to give you 34. These are all called which type? Which type? NDRA. NDRA. Beautiful. So I think you are understanding the difference between unique and n-unique. Understood? Yes. So done. ఇవన్నీ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. తినేసి నిద్రపోకూడదు. బాయ్స్ మీకే చెప్పేది అర్థమవుతుందా? ఆఫ్టర్ గోయింగ్ టు హోమ్ విల్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్? రైట్. సో యూనిక్ అండ్ n-unique. Online students, did you understand this? Unique, in this way we can find out. So doing exercise. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేది బాబా రామ్దేవ్ బాబా కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాను. So want to do exercise? Come here. No? No? Okay. So come to the point of it now. So government of Andhra Pradesh will not see you. Otherwise they will be recruiting as a yoga trainer. Come to the point back. Next. Rajesh, coding. This much seems, coding this much seems forgettable. Forgetful. What English this is, I don't know. Hey, is it China English or what this is English? Huh? Which English it is? Huh? Amirpet English, huh? Because I am also part and parcel of your students. If you say Amirpet English means very danger. Amirpet English, huh? Okay, let it be. Because when we think by ourselves, there is one great joke is there on BTech students. Because when I read that joke, myself felt very much uncomfortable for it. Okay. Huh? Please tell her. చెప్తే నేను ఫీల్ అవుతా ఫస్ట్. Find the number of unique category. So next I will go for 9th. Right down. 8th or 9th? 9th. 9th question. Write down the question. Write down the question now. Which category rating? Which category getting highest average rating? Okay. DF dot what I will find? Columns. Look at all of you. Listen, after writing the question, you try to. Then ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలనేది important. How to solve it is an important. What is this now? Rating. Rating. Plus moreover what? Category. How many categories you found? 34. 34 things. This is art and design is called what? One unique category. So that means under that lot of art and categories will be there or not? Like yesterday. A, 4 A's, 4 B's. 4 A's, one group, mean points, some points I calculated. B points, B is one category. A is one category. A also will have mean. B also will have the mean or not? Like that. I need to apply which concept? Group by. Are you getting? I gave the example you are recognizing, or by default you recognized? You recognize. So recognized means it's a good. So art and design is going to be so many art and design apps are there. So many auto and vehicles are there. So many beauty apps are there. But all of them are comes under, these are all group wise. How many population is there? 140 crores of Indians are there. They are categorized into what? Telangana state, MP, UP, different type of states are there or not? Come on, now I need to go for what? What is that I want to go for it? DF dot, DF dot, come on, group by, group by. So I'm going to write it, group by. First look at group by. First, how to solve it? Which one I need to say? Category. How many groups will be there? How many groups will be there, ma? 34 groups will be there. 34 groups will be there. So I will say here 34 groups will be there. This is a group by object is coming. If at all you want, I can say here what length. So how many are coming? 34. Okay, that is nothing but what? Categories only. Okay, nice. Next I want to find out what ma? Category. Next I want to find out what from that? Rating. Rating. I need to find the rating or not? Okay. I will write what over there. You got the categories. 34. These values are there. If you want, I can print the categories also. Category name under the tab names. Category name under the tab names. How do you write it? I forget. For category name, comma, category info. Category info. In where? Like this. So print of what? So category name. That is called what? Category name. So I'm going to write it. Category name. I will write it called what? CN. Next, category information. Category information. I will write below to that information. Last class I written it. Again I am writing it. Print of what? C info. C info. So I will write this. So like this I will write it. Each category value will be coming. So 34 values will be coming. So 1.9 category name. What is this? Category info. Category info. Category info. So these are all going to come students. 1.9 under that, this one under art and design. These many are there. These many are there. Next is called what again? Next one more is called what? Here. One more is called auto and vehicles. Next is called what again? What is that? Beauty. And again it is going to come. Like that all of them are going to come. Are you following me? If at all you want only app names, if you want to take it, you can take only app names. Here you can write it. How do I write the app names? Here I will write it. Category wise names also you can take it. Of course, if you want to print CN, you can print only CN. So in this case, it is having one separate scroll bar is taken up. It is all of the app names which what? Categories and everything coming here. I think almost you are getting this entire thing. So this is a big for loop is written. All 34 apps are going to come. If you feel that this is going to be a big scroll bar is available, and I brought into the last. I brought into the last. Are you getting it? 34 categories are there. Each category contains so many rows, which are what? 82 rows with a 32 column, 13 columns it is coming. So what I want to find now? Rating. Highest rating. So how do you do that? DF dot, come on, DF dot, dot group by of category. So I'm going to write it. So category of, I need to write what? Rating. Rating I need to write it. Rating. I need to write what? Mean. Mean I am writing. Dot what? Mean I am going to write it. Mean I am going to write it. So with this, what is happening? What is the spelling there? T, no? మీకు కూడా క్లారిటీ లేదు కాబట్టి నో ప్రాబ్లం. నో, మీరు కొద్దిగా సైలెంట్గా ఉండండి. కీప్ ఇట్ సైలెంట్. మీరన్నా చెప్పనండి, నన్నన్నా రాయనియండి. రెండు చేయకండి. ఓకే. సో డోంట్ టేక్ మచ్ స్ట్రెయిన్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో గెట్ ఓకే, మీరు డబుల్ కోడ్స్ అవి చెప్తా ఉండండి. అందుకని మీరు, సో యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ వాట్? మీన్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. All of them. Are you getting the mean or not? Yes. So all of them we got it. Next, what I want to find? What is that question? Highest average rating. Highest average rating means what you will get it? Go for what? Sort underscore. Sort underscore values. Sort underscore values. Sort underscore values. Ascending is equal to false. Ascending is equal to false. What is coming? So you are going to get it. These values are not. See all of them, carefully observe it. What is the next one I want to get it? 19.4.4.38 to 4.35. Lost. When you come down to this place, are you getting lost value 3.97, 4 point, etc. or not? How many apps they want? How many? So I will write it here. Last and final. I will go for what? Dot head of one. Head of one. That one app is coming whose name is called what? Come on, 1.9. 1.9 is also one app name, it is available there. So if you want, I can write that app name also. How do you print that app name? Come on, Babu. Of APP. APP. I will write that app name. Maybe. What is happening? DF dot. This is going to contain of like this. Dot head of DF of is coming. Why this is not coming? Here I will write it. Head of dot of APP. So I need to get head is coming, that category, and what is the type? Let me print once so that I'll get the clarity of it. I'll get the clarity. Which one? Series. Okay. So, okay. I'll get what? So get it. Come on. Of what? Of what? 0. So getting that app name is not coming. What is that value coming? Mean value is coming. Mean value is coming. Are you getting it? So mean value is coming. To get that value, so I'm going to write it is equal to what? 19 point what? 0. 19.0. There I'm going to write it. Pass to whom? DF. Pass to whom? DF. Pass to DF. So which is going to give you what? What is the value is coming there? So first you try to understand this one. What is the value coming? True. Pass to whom? DF of true. DF of true. When you say DF of true, what is the answer is coming? Key error. Key error is coming. True. Print what you know? APP. So it is going to give you what? So key error is coming. So value of 0, value of 0 dot 19.0 ascending is equal to it is giving you 1.9, 19.0. Category 1.9, 19.0. Name is coming. So it is giving you the answer. Error is coming here. Answer is coming on. But this, okay. I want only 1.9. I want only 1.9. I want to get it. How do I get that 1.9? That my question is, answer came already. I want to print only 1.9. Just last and final student. It is giving series. Series value I want to print it. How do you print the series value? Of I want to print this one, df dot LOC of this entire series will be coming 19 IBS. So it is not coming. df head of this will give you 1.9 for x in print of x. It is printing 9 point. Mean is coming. So mean related app I want. Mean related app I want to find. So how do you find the mean related app? Mean is equal to sort of values. So 19 point. This is going to give you ascending is equal to false. Okay, that is an answer. Dot LOC of dot ILOC of 0 will give you no, because I am calculating the mean. Okay, let it be. So app name is there. Don't worry about it because the answer is like this. After going to home, you try for it. How to get this 1.9? Are you getting it? So try to take it. If at all you want, last and final, I will do one small attempt. So x is equal to print of what? X. Just a minute. X, comma what? Type of X. Type of X. X is printing, which is a series. Now X of 1. X of what? 0. X of 0. App, two things are going to come. It is going to give you feature warning. To access the value of that, I need to use LOC. So I will go to X series object dot ILOC of 0. ILOC of 0. So it is going to give you this value. This is going to be called what? Series index is coming. Series index. So I will go to what? Index. So index is called what? 1 point. So I'll print what? 0. So I got 1.9. Muddu. Muddu. So వచ్చిందా అక్కడ నా కళ్ళు చూసాం లేదా ఆన్సర్ కేమ్ ఆన్సర్ కేమ్. So how to find the attributes I said now? Attributes I said or not? How many attributes? A series object attributes how many? 11 to 12 I said. One of the index is what? Index of 0. What is the index of 0? This is called index. This is called what? Mean. 1.9 is called what? Index. My sir said already all column names will be taken as index. That index I am getting it. I'm worrying about this value. So mean already came here. This one. And I'm going to get the index name. This is called what? App name. App name is equal to like this, is equal to like this, is equal to comma. This is the value, got it. Next is called what? App mean. If you want to get it, app mean is equal to what? 1 I will say. 1 I will say. 1 is going to be like this. Again, it is going to give you s dot what? X dot what? Value. X dot value. Value or values? Values. So there I will write it what again? 0. So 0 that is going to come. Are you following me? So you can comb any direction if you have good subject. If no subject is there saying like this. ఏం లేదు అందులో. Ring road, bypass road only. So done. Got it. I will post this entire thing for you. Online students, is it clear about it? So coming to the next question. Next question. Right on. Find the app name. What ma? Time is over. Okay. Take your bags, all of you. Take your bags. Stand up. Stand up now. You can go. అమ్మాయి తీసుకొని ఇట్లా పడేస్తాను ఏదో పోనే. Okay, let it be students. They are feeling very much hungry. Will understand because they will eat outside samosa, jalebi, etc. here. Okay, ma, go and eat. So, okay, tomorrow class I will go for it. Okay, tomorrow I will continue this. Up to here I will post it. 10th question tomorrow we will go for it. Okay now? Right. Take care. All the best. Tomorrow also I will continue the session of the same project. Online students. So I hope that there is no doubt on this area. I will post this and I'll post these questions for you students. Okay, SK, keep the question. Keep a question. SK, keep your question, no problem. I'll clarify your doubt. As the max rating 5.0, we may have eliminate 1.9. Still, next questions are there. This is one of the app name. This is one of the app name. This is one of the app name. This is app name. This is its mean. Its mean. Mean is 19.0. Now the question is different, no? Question is what here? Question is different. According to question, I am going to take it. No, no, I can understand. What is that question is? Try to observe the question once. See the question once. Question is very simple. The question I will open it. So unique, this is the one. Highest average rating. This is what they are asking. Highest rating, no. Highest average rating, they are asking. At a group of category wise highest rating. SK. Category. Category means group by. Category. It is not one app rating. It is a category wise. 1.9 one app name is there. 1.91 app name is there. Category 1.9. This is only one app, only one name. This is an app whose category 1.9. That is called 19.0. Art and design one category. Category 1.9 is one thing. Music, dating, like that app category 1.9 whose rating is only one. There is one application whose category is 1.9 whose rating is this one. Average mean rating also same. I think you are getting it. I am not taking individual app rating as you said 5.0. Individual app rating can be as you said it is a correct. That is next level we are going to discuss. No, ma, I'm talking about a category wise group by. 1.9 is only one application, one category, which is having 19 point, whose mean is also 19 point only. You study the question once and then you put your concentration. There is one more question is going to come. Yes, we have only one record. We have only one record whose category is the same thing, which is a 19.0. So whose other categories are art and design? So many are there. Whose art and design mean is lesser than this. Highest mean we are asking, na? Highest average rating. So definitely 1.9 according to that. Vishnuvardhan, I will post this CSV file also with to you. Now only I will post this data. Now I will share it. Now I will share the data set. SK, I will share the data set. Okay, na? Fine, students. So thank you. Don't miss the next class. We will do some more things in tomorrow's session, students. All the best. Thank you. Take care.